Nagsimula ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12, sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa. Madalas ang standby sa cafeteria, isang barkada na kay saya. Laging may hawak-hawak na gitara, konting udyok lamang kakanta na. Kay simple lamang ng buhay nun, walang mabibigat na suliranin. Problema lamang laging kulang ang datong. Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon?
Something in here's not right today. Why am I so uptight today? Paranoia is all I got left. I don't know what stressed me first, how the pressure was fed, but I know just what it feels like to have a voice in the back of my head, like a face that I hold inside, face that awakes when I close my eyes, face that I watch every time I lie, face that laughs every time I fall. Everything. So I know that when it's time to sink or swim, the face inside is hearing me right underneath my skin. It's like a paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm living within. It's like the face inside is right beneath my skin. I know I've got a face in me, points out all my mistakes to me. You got a face on the inside too. Your paranoia is probably worse. I don't know what set me on first, but I know what I can't stand. Everybody acts, but the fact of the matter is I can't add up to what you can. But everybody has a face that they hold inside, face that awakes when I close my eyes, face that watches